Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating my signature full system conversion wherein I convert the radio and I also convert the 8-track for optimum performance through the converted radio. So we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. This system comes from Mike in Coldwater, Mississippi. Thank you, Mike. I don't get many jobs from Mississippi, and the system is out of a 72 Olds Cutlass Supreme. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate our balance and fader controls during talk radio and not get in trouble for copyright issues. So let's turn it on to AM.
You know, I support Hamas. I believe in
we're going to need our output level meters to demonstrate our balance and fader adjustments. Now, one thing I'll mention is this radio may have had an original front-rear fader. We never reused the original fader. Both your left-right balance and front-rear fading action will be done using a tone control, and I'm going to demonstrate how we do that right now. First, we're going to turn our tone control to the center position, and that'll give us room to rotate it twice in either direction. So we're gonna work on adjust our front rear fader first.
Have Americans as hostage. How are we supposed to sit back here and say that
fader adjust?
Okay, that's rational.
All the way front.
Not. So this individual does
all
not
the way
deserve
rear.
to stay in the United States of America.
Front.
Back to the 261
rear. Okay, TDA
and MS-13. It was sent to El Salvador.
Fader
set. Okay.
I want to find out
left right balance.
Star, so it's called Democracy Forward.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
You
all the way left.
Illegal aliens suing the Trump
all the way
administration. Right. Guess who the
left
supports Democracy Forward?
Right.
The Source
Center.
Network, the Open Society Network, run by
balance set.
Okay. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that.
Color of change.
So now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. So here you go, FM. Okay, that one drifted a little.
If you're doing it right, then there's the showings, the offers.
Best music.
All right, so what is
it can take a few tries until the tuner's broken in again.
Association of Realtors, right by you.
Conditions posted at textblind.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Grab my Neil Sedaka tape here. Pull the tape out and then the radio comes back. So that takes care of this. Makes the dial light goes on and off on the radio, and you can see it through this hole right here that it's flashing on and off when I press and release the button. So we're good to go here. Everything's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. So let's see if I can figure out how to use this stuff again. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order off the home page of that website before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all in the work order. And since you have to fill one out anyway, please make that the first step in your research towards finding out my options, prices, and turn times. Once you've got that work order in hand, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you if you'd like to call. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thanks again to Mike for your business all the way from Mississippi, and we'll see you guys next time.